Birds copy sounds all the time, but this bird copies something else. This is a lyrebird, and it may be one of the best sound mimics on Earth. It doesn't just imitate other birds. It can copy camera shutters, car alarms, chainsaws, and even entire forest soundscapes. Scientists believe lyrebirds memorize the sounds around them and replay them during their mating displays. In the wild, some birds have reproduced the noises of logging equipment that disappeared years earlier, meaning the sound can outlive the machine. Nature hides some strange echoes,